Hi guys, in Excel, what I want to do in this data is that I wanted to put actually colons here. Okay, and it has to be right aligned like this, right? And each cell should contain things like that. Okay, a column like this, so that it looks very well formatted. Okay, so what is the way to do? Either you go to each cell and then do the this kind of formatting, but there is a shortcut also to do this type of formatting. So let's remove this first and then go to the formatting. Okay, press Ctrl 1 and you will go to custom formatting, and when you are on general, do this. Okay, at the rate, put at the rate and then the colon. Okay, and say okay. So you see the colon has appeared in front of all the letters which we have in this data, but we want all of them to be right aligned. So what we can do is we can put a star and then colon, double dots, and you see you have got this kind of output very quickly. So when you are making large amount of data, when you are making formatting for your forms, etc., this trick is very handy. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.